Learn the use of Bipu. Bipu means cut off as a verb in sentences. We are going to use this verb Bipu in our sentences now. Igbo, English. The first sentence is Ego bipu osisi ahụ. Ego bipu osisi ahụ, meaning Ego cut off that tree. Bipu ya n'ala ya. Bipu ya n'ala ya, meaning cut it off from its ground. Bipu ya na eriri ahụ n'otu. Bipu ya na eriri ahụ n'otu, meaning cut it off together with that rope. Bipu ya ugbua. Bipu ya ugbua, meaning cut it off now. Ego bipu ha niile pụọ n'ụzọ. Ego bipu ha niile pụọ n'ụzọ, meaning Ego cut all of them away off the road. Remember, our topic is bipu, meaning cut off. It is our verb. That is why we underline them both in English and in Igbo. We also use the same color marker to identify same words both in Igbo and in English. Now you can see that bipu in English at times the word will not be at the same place together, like this one. Example number 1, we have Ego cut off that tree. But in second sentence, you can see that cut is different from off. It is how you make your statement, that is how it's going to be in English. So, like and share our videos. Follow us for more.